Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to give you a bit of a hair tour, hair update, and I'll also be giving you 5 ideas of foods that are great for hair growth and for hair health. Hello and welcome to Love Those Locks, the channel where I'll help you care for your hair, especially for the lady of a certain age, and where I'll be charting my second Sisterlocks journey. So it's been a week since I had my professional Sisterlock retightening, and it's had that week to settle in, and I am very pleased with how my locks are progressing. I've had my Sisterlocks now for 19 months and started from a length of around 4 inches, and I'd say that I've got medium to low density. I don't know whether you agree with that, but that's what I think, just looking at my hair. And one of the things I have noticed though is that going from root through to tip, especially with the front section of my hair, that the ends are quite thin by comparison. So I'll show you what I mean. I'll just get some hair for you. Let's get a section here. And you can see if I hold that like that, and then as I go along, that's quite tapered, so I hope you can see that. Maybe if I just put a white sheet behind, that might help, just to show the contrast between the root and the end. And I know why that is. The reason why that is because when I had the first set of Sisterlocks, this section of my hair I took down by combing it out, and so I had quite ratty ends, and the ends were quite thin, and as it's grown out, of course, the rest of it's been quite thick. So I'm wondering whether it will take longer to lock, because as you can see from the ends, I'll show you my ends again, they are still quite curly, and I can't really see any evidence of locking at that stage. Whereas if I go to locks towards the back of my hair, where I grew the hair out from an undercut, so all of this was shaved originally, you can actually see that that budding has already happened. So I hope that it will start to lock along the longer sections, but certainly at the back, as you can see, the ends aren't as curly and those buds have formed, and as we know, it starts budding from the very end, and then it works its way up the lock right through to near the new regrowth, because the regrowth will take a while to lock. So that's the thing that I've noticed with them. But apart from those thin ends, which, as I say, it's all of this section, all of the front really, all the way around here, and the sides, that back section is fine. But they seem to be quite healthy. There's no thinness along the length of the locks, you know, there's no thinness in the middle or anything, so I'm quite happy with that. And of course the grid has been re-established. It was in a little bit of a mess, but my loctician, Sisterlock consultant has worked magic with it, so I'm very happy with the way they look. But I'm just going to be keeping a watchful eye on the ends just to see what happens. I'm just having a look. I can't really see any that seem to have locked so far. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what happens with those ones. Yeah, whether it will just stay like this, or maybe some of them will lock. Yeah, let's hope so. Yeah, so that's really my update on the state of my hair at this stage. Very happy with it, and I'm just going to continue to do as many healthy things as possible, including looking at ways to improve what I eat, just to improve on the health and strength of my Sisterlocks. And so I'll be showing you in this video 5 recipe ideas for breakfast, some of which I've been eating for a while, but some of them are new to me, and just showing you the things that I have and also why they're beneficial. So looking specifically at those ingredients that are beneficial to hair growth and hair strength, and ultimately to hair growth of the Sisterlocks and strength of the Sisterlocks. So Stay tuned for those recipes and those breakfast ideas. The first breakfast idea is berry juice, and that contains strawberries, berries and oat milk and a banana. And there are lots of nutrients that are worth mentioning here, but particularly vitamin C. Strawberries have an extremely high vitamin C content, and vitamin C is beneficial. It produces collagen, a protein that strengthens the hair and prevents it from becoming brittle and breaking. And it helps the hair to absorb iron from what we eat. And low levels of iron may cause anemia. This is also linked to hair loss. And here we've got the juice that hasn't been strained, and then this one that has been strained because I don't like the pips. So it's up to you which way you have it. But it's very delicious and sweet due to the fruit sugar. And straight after this, we're going into spinach two ways. First of all, a spinach toast. You can see all of the ingredients here. Spinach is a healthy green vegetable that is a great plant-based source of iron, and iron is essential for hair growth. It also contains folate, an essential micronutrient, vitamin A, which helps with sebum production and to moisturize the scalp and hair, and it helps to prevent hair loss, and vitamin E that can help to prevent hair loss as well, and vitamin C, which is vital for absorbing iron. Without iron we can experience hair loss. And here we can see the toast up close with all of the lovely ingredients, including the sweet corn and flour mixed in, and the lovely chili dip. And as well as spinach toast, we can have spinach with green salad, with butter leaves and other red leaf salad leaves mixed with any dressings. And here we have the ingredients for teff porridge. Teff porridge is amazing. It's known as William's lovegrass or annual bunch grass, and it's been a core part of Ethiopian cooking for thousands of years. It is protein rich, it's a grain, and it's been called the world's most nutritious grain. It has calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, thiamine, fibre and protein, and it contains extremely high levels of copper. So here you can see the cooked teff porridge, and upping your copper intake can stop hair loss and premature greying, so that's very beneficial. And the zinc content also helps with the absorption of the copper, so it's highly beneficial to the hair. So here I've added some pumpkin seeds to it, and pumpkin seeds are great because they're crucial in hair growth, and they contain something called curcubitin, which is an essential amino that's responsible for hair growth. And sweeten it with honey according to your taste. And finally we have porridge oats two ways. In the first bowl, the porridge has been soaked overnight with chia seeds and flax seeds, and of course porridge with milk and with a strawberry on top. And in the second bowl, it's been cooked in a microwave for 4 minutes with water and with clementines added. And as we've mentioned previously, strawberries have an extremely high vitamin C content. Clementines also do have a high vitamin C content, and vitamin C is essential for preventing hair going brittle and from breaking. And flax seeds, which have also been added to the first soaked one, are essential for soothing the scalp and contain fatty acids. So there are lots of benefits here which I haven't gone into in detail. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Now over to you. What do you think of today's breakfast ideas? Or perhaps you've got some ideas of your own, some foods that you know that are great for strengthening and helping to grow your Sisterlocks. Please let me know in the comments. Please also remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I next post a video. Thank you. No? And I'm also going to give you 5 breakfast ideas or foods that will be great for hair growth and strength. Is that rubbish? Hello? No, not hello.